Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. We are continuing the series of this amazing software called Pictory. Pictory, for those of you that don't know, is a software that is used to create videos. You can do that from a bunch of different ways. You can do it, as you're seeing on screen right now, from text, from a URL, from images, from a bunch of different files. You can even record your screen, so you can create a video that way, like I'm doing right now. If you haven't checked out any of the previous videos that we've created on the software, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out. You can subscribe so you won't miss out any of the videos that we're gonna be uploading. As always, I'm using one of the paid plans of the software. If you wanna use one of the paid plans as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. And in this video, we're gonna be doing something a bit different. We're gonna be uploading a video and then we're gonna be checking out the transcribe option that the software has. This is video number 4 about Pictory. We have a bunch more planned in the channel. So once again, if you subscribe, you're not gonna miss them out. I'm gonna make my face disappear so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So this is Pictory's homepage. As I was telling you just some seconds ago, in the previous videos, we were creating videos with text. We were diving into some of the basic functionalities of the software. And on this video, we're going to be uploading a video. So if we go to this option right here that says AI video editor, we can drag and drop a file, or we can try with a demo video. I created a short video of me talking. I'm gonna upload that video. I just recorded it on my cell phone. The video is going to take a couple of seconds to upload to the software, and it's going to create an automatic transcription as it says right here. So this is the video that I uploaded. Let's check it out real fast. This is a clip of myself that I'm gonna be using with Pictory. We're gonna be testing the transcribing option. So I'm just gonna describe a bit what I'm seeing. I have a tree in front of me right now. The wind is blowing, the sky is pretty blue, and it seems that it's going to be a very nice day, a very sunny day. So I think this will be enough for Pictory to work with the AI. As you see, it automatically added captions. This is the transcribe on the left. Right here on the editor, you can change the way that the captions look. You can select from a bunch of different styles. For example, I think this one looks a bit cleaner. You can select how many lines are being shown on screen at any given time. Right now it's in 1. You can turn on and off the subtitles or the captions. We have some other options right here. For example, remove filler words. If the video had some filler words like the word like, or if it was a bit silent in some parts, we could choose this option. For example, we have a little silent part right here after the word be. Will be enough. Between be and enough, if we click on remove silences, we can select how many seconds of silence we want to remove. I'm just gonna click on 1 and see what the software does. And the pause between the word be and enough is going to be a little shorter. Will be enough for Pictory to work with the AI. And the final video is 1 second shorter because of that removal of silence. We can change the way that the video looks. If we click on portrait, it's gonna be automatically cropped like this. If we click on square, it's gonna be cropped as well for you to use in different case scenarios. For example, if you wanna use your video in YouTube, you would leave it on landscape as it says right here, or Vimeo. If you wanna use it in TikTok, on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, or YouTube Shorts, you would use a portrait kind of view. And if you wanna use it as an Instagram post, you can leave it in the square format. I'm just gonna leave it in landscape as of now. And you can choose this option right here to highlight important parts of the transcript. 30 seconds, for example, these words will be highlighted as important, and we can check out how the video looks with that highlight. This is a clip of myself that I'm gonna be using with Pictory. We're gonna be testing the transcribing option. The wind is blowing, the sky is pretty. As you see, it deletes parts of the transcript that it deems not very interesting or not very critical to the final video. And if we click on highlight right here, we can select which ones remain on the final video and which ones don't. As you see, the original video was 30 seconds. We removed a bit of silence, so it was 29 seconds. And if we just leave the highlighted parts of the transcript, it is just 21 seconds. You can download the highlights of the video for you to use on another video. You can select a brand if you have already created one on the homepage of Pictory. We haven't created one, so we cannot add it as of now. And you can also save your styles if you want to use them in repeated videos for you to have a consistent image for your brand. Right here you can download the transcript in these formats. This is a subtitle format that you could upload on another video. On this option on the top, you can search for words and replace them. For example, if we write the word this, you can replace them with another word, let's say just the word word. And if we click on replace, it is gonna be changed like this. This part will be removed and it would be replaced with the word word. And you can always go back using these arrows if you've made a mistake. This is like Ctrl+C. If we click, for example, this option to remove filler words, it is gonna remove, as I was just telling you some seconds ago, the filler words that are like that word, like, but since I didn't use any of those in the original video, it is the same length as it was before. In the transcript part, if you click on any of the words, for example, if I click on this word, the video is gonna take me to that part of the video. And that is pretty much it, how you get an automatic transcription for a video using Pictory. As you see, the process is really fast, is really accurate as well. I just see one error where it misunderstood the word Pictory and wrote victory. But if we double click, we can change the way that the transcribe looks. And you can do that any way you want. If you double click on any part of the transcript, you can change how the word is written and how the transcript looks. Once everything's looking like you want it to, you can click on download highlight videos, as I was just telling you some seconds ago, or customize highlights video. The software is then gonna process the scene. It's gonna take a couple of seconds to do that. And then we're taken to the editor that we saw on previous videos. We have the little different scenes. These three are linked and these other 4 are linked. You cannot add transitions in AI video editor projects as of now, but you can do some other stuff like we saw on different videos that we were doing with Pictory. You can add elements such as forms, you can add stickers, you can add GIFs, you can add whichever text that you want. You can change the way that the text looks, as we saw on the previous screen. You could upload any type of media that you want, and you can further edit the video so it looks exactly like you want it to look. Once everything's done, you can preview the video, and it would look something like this. A very nice day, a very sunny day. So I think this will be enough for Pictory to work with the AI. You can always download the video using this option right here, or you can share it using the Pictory link as well. As you saw, transcribing the audio of a video is really easy using Pictory. You can do it in just a couple of minutes. Then you can edit the transcribe so it looks exactly like you want it to. You can use the editor to add elements and whichever kind of media that you want to get the specific video that you want. You can also reuse the transcribe in another video. You can download it in an SRT or text file and use it on another project. It is a really fast and intuitive process, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys as it was for me. Once again, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this video. If you want to use some of these features that are specific to the paid plans, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. Once again, I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any of the videos that we're going to be uploading about Pictory. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.